CryptoEL here, welcome, subscribe to the channel, and let's see what we have today. We're gonna do a quick update on grass because it's been like 3 months. Today is the last day of the Epoch 3 currently, and I want to talk a little bit about it. So we have their Twitter page. In a couple days before, they said something really interesting. The upgrade is a success. They went to layer 2 or something. They're saying that officially completed the migration to a new backend infrastructure, which means they are ready to scale to tens of millions of users. So probably those are kinda your last options to make huge amount of grass before the huge amount of people came. I'm gonna show you in similar lab they have 30 million visitors, and just last month it were 11 million, so it's 3x. As you can see, I started January, like 4th of January or something. It's been 3 months and I collected like 100k, something like that, and I'm close to the platinum. Soon I'll be platinum. I'm platinum, I'll be emerald. Yeah, so be sure to take the advantage. There will be a link in the description. As you can see, I earned 50k for this epoch, 17 for my referrals, and the rest is from me. I'm earning like 1k a day. I cannot show you the dashboard because it will show my IP. So I earning like a k a day, something like that, and the rest is from the referrals. Some days they are not active, but I have only 2 referrals that earning grass, and I'm earning like, I don't know, 200-300 per referral a day, something like that. So not much, but still we can grow together. And yeah, those are the news that I wanted to share with you. And this opportunity could be something that could be a game changer, you know. So stay in touch and thank you for your time.